Use this guide to replace the front glass and Digitiser assembly on an iPad 5. That since the Touch ID sensor in the home button is paired to the logic board, this guide includes instructions for removing the home button. In order to retain Touch ID functionality, you need to transfer the original home button to the new front panel assembly. Once all of the adhesive has been separated, open the Digitiser like a book and rest it parallel to the iPad. During reassembly, clean the remaining adhesive from the frame and the Digitiser if you're reusing it with isopropyl alcohol. Be mindful of the display cables when reassembling the device. Make sure they are folded properly underneath the LCD screen to prevent any damage. Remove any tape obscuring the LCD screws. Do not attempt to fully remove the LCD. It is still connected to the iPad by several cables at the home button end. Lift only from the front-facing camera end. Use the flat end of a spudger to pry the LCD out of its recess just enough to grab it with your fingers. Flip the iPad LCD like a page in a book, lifting near the camera and turning it over the home button end of the rear case. Be gentle and keep an eye on the LCD cables as you flip the display over. Lay the LCD on its face to allow access to the display cables. Remove the single 2.3mm Phillips screw securing the battery connector to the logic board. Replace the adhesive with our adhesive strips or pre-cut adhesive cards. Prepare and set the new Digitiser screen. Carefully peel the home button ribbon cable up off of the adhesive holding it to the rear case. Remove the front panel assembly. When reattaching the home button bracket, use a dab of adhesive or double-sided tape to secure the bracket in place. During reassembly, wipe any dust or fingerprints off of the inside of the front panel assembly to ensure a clean display. Be very careful when you isolate the battery using a battery blocker. The battery contacts are easily damaged, resulting in irreversible damage. Slide the battery blocker underneath the battery connector area of the logic board and leave it in place while you work. To reduce the risk of a short, you can insert a battery blocker or a modified opening pick to disconnect the battery. To reassemble your device, follow these instructions in reverse order. This is an iPad 5th generation Digitiser screen replacement. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe Repairs to Go channel, your one-stop online repair tutorials in electronics.